Hey guys, what's going on? It's your boy Fallen. Welcome back to another video. Now today I'm going to be talking to you about the 5 things that I love about the Bird ES1 300 electric scooter. Now you might have seen our previous video about the 5 things I hate about that scooter, but I truly hated making that video because there's only a few teeny tiny flaws in it, so I had to scratch the bottom of the barrel to make that list. Now, the amount of things that I love about the scooter is ridiculously long. So while making the list for this video, I had to narrow it down to my favorite features. Otherwise, this list would be about 50 different things with it. But let's get into it. So the first thing that I love about it is the price tag. Now, this electric scooter comes under $400 if you buy it on Walmart.com or your local Sam's Club, or you might be able to get it under $300 if you buy it secondhand or during some sort of a sale. Now, knowing that many electric scooters can easily go into thousands of dollars, it's a great budget or starter electric scooter. So if you're trying to get your feet wet in the electric scooter market, this is a great buy. Now, once again, if you're trying to get your feet wet, it's a great, easy to use scooter, which goes into the second point that from the moment that I built it to the moment that I felt 100% comfortable riding it took me less than 15 minutes. Now, I have not been in a scooter in close to 15 years, and I felt comfortable gliding along close to maximum speed and enjoying the ride. Now, speaking of speed, it ties into the third point that I love about it is the speed and then the range the scooter gives you. You don't think about the price tag and that you might only be able to have certain speed or certain range. Yes, you're not going to be going 60 miles an hour with a 60-mile range, but if you live in an urban area, it gives you enough range and power to get around easily. Now, if you want to add modifications to it, it is definitely possible with this unit, which ties into point number 4, that it is possible to add external batteries, baskets, hand grips, lights, brakes, etc. Now, many of those things can be modified and purchased additionally by Segway directly because they own a line of electric scooters, especially the 9-bot series, and there's a lot of aftermarket companies. But if you do buy aftermarket parts, think about that it potentially might void your warranty, but there's a lot of customizations that you can do after purchasing it without having to throw a lot of money into it from the very start. So as you go along, it gives you that flexibility of adding things, removing things, modifying it, etc. Now, the fifth thing that I love about it is the backing. So this company is backed by Bird and Segway. Now, as I mentioned a little bit ago, that Segway owns a line of scooters that they have partnered with other companies, including the 9-bot series. Of course, they're known for their Segway vehicles, and they have a few other electric vehicles on the market. And of course, they have been around a very long time. Now, while searching around and choosing the first electric scooter I wanted to buy, there has been other competitors for similar pricing, but the main reason I did not purchase them is that they did not have the reputation, the backing, and the warranty associated with it. Now, technically, you are buying a vehicle, so when you do purchase a vehicle, and if by any chance something happens, you want to make sure that you can reach out to the manufacturer or the maker of that vehicle and potentially get some support. With a company like Segway, of course, you're going to have strong, reliable support associated with it. So, hopefully you guys are enjoyed the list about the 5 favorite things about the Bird ES1 300 electric scooter. I tried to make this list short and sweet for you guys. I know that I could be talking for hours about how much I love about it. And a lot of you guys let us know in the previous videos that you've purchased the Bird ES1 300 because of the videos we put out on it. So if you did, or if you already have one before, I want to hear your stories about how much you like it, how has your experience been with it, have you experienced any problems, or some great travel stories. Now, if there's an additional electric scooter that you own, let us know which one, and we'll potentially might review it in the future. Do remember that we're coming out with a 5 video a week series starting hopefully very, very soon. I'll be announcing that next week. If there's any particular topics you guys want us to cover, electric scooter, electric vehicles in general, or anything that you might find interesting, let us know by staying in touch with us on social, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. Reach out to us in any of those ways and let us know what you want us to cover next. Anyways, guys, hopefully you have a great weekend. Be safe out there, stay well, and I'll see you next time.